You brought your brother out today.
Oh mate, he's driving
Teaching
like
him
a gun.
opinions.
He's driving like a throwing better entries than me. But then fucking, yeah, he slowed down a bit, so I whacked his
I seen you battling. I seen you battling together.
You see?
Yeah, pretty tight, you know.
Fuck.
Oh, yeah, he's pretty close. How many years apart?
Probably about 4 or 5 years, but only 2 centimeters on the track.
Yeah, 2 centimeters, I reckon. Yeah, wait, an inch in total. Not bad.
Smashing it together out there.
Yeah, sweet as.
I tried to push him in the quarter to put him out of the competition, but Rick more bar, Rick more cooler instead.
Hey, if it comes down to it, you're versing him. You're gonna smash it.
Oh, we're just gonna go hard, mate. You know what I mean? We don't even care about the comp. Just put it on the show.
And what if he gets his cousins onto you, bro?
Oh, then I'm gonna call them back.
It's alright.
Go we patrolate against each other.
Yeah, shit. You got different cousins, yeah?
Listen, mate, go get your kebab with tzatziki sauce.
Nah, man, it's souvlaki, man. It's souvlaki. Kebab, lebos, souvlakis, Greeks.
You make me sick.
Yeah, nah, you're making me sick.
Thank you, fellas.
No worries, mate. That's fine.